Sucker DJ just ought to be quiet. He was clipping in a snippet, even tried back chewing. Sucker DJ didn't know what he was doing.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel and you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right. I don't know what day this is of the quarantine, and I know you're asking yourself, well, what are you doing out the house if it's quarantine? Well, life doesn't suck. Nah. Yo, I've been in the crib since like Friday. I got a package that I gotta pick up. Shout out to my man, Daniel Grand Customs. Before all this BS was going on, I had ordered something from him and I asked him to send it to the JOB, but so. Yeah, so it got there and I figured that today would be the best time to go scoop that up. And now that I'm looking at this, I'm thinking about doing a short video. I was thinking about it earlier, but now I'm definitely thinking about it because I just seen this cat walking through with the Hirachi trainers on. Cat's been asking every time I rock my my diamond turfs, they be like, yo, how you keep the strap from you know, going down? Pause. Got you. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man, I'm gonna go do that, go pick up this, and I'm thinking I'm gonna call the juice bar, see if the juice bar open. I'm really fasting, but I mean, little juice ain't hurt nobody, you know what I'm saying?
No, sorry.
Yo, let me get 400 likes on this joint, man. Y'all remember to stay safe, keep them gloves, the Lysol, you know what I'm saying? Just, we touching too much shit, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yo, about to go pick up my joint. Follow me out.
No peace, no home, it's broken. The chain you stole is frozen. Yeah, we came from the blocks and the 6 zone. The snakes and the fakes and the brick phones. I went to school with him, now he's got a headstone. In the end, it's full of chicks, so the best know. The paintings used to keep us in friends' halls. Only talking to the guys in the band, so how can I live my best life if my friends die?
It's a ghost town out here. Non-essential workers
Are no longer needed in the community.
I wonder how long this is gonna last for though, man.
As long as I wanted to.
Like the lockdown vice, like travel restrictions and stuff. I mean, this shit was cool. It felt like, oh shit, we off, you know what I'm saying? But now it's like, yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna pick up, don't worry, we're gonna unbox this joint. Let's just chat for a bit. I'm gonna call the juice bar. I think I'm gonna drive around. I'm gonna see if Velez is up. I just want to check on him, make sure he alright.
You tough, right?
Obviously he alright, but just want to check on him. But let's see what. And it's cool because you know Velez right around the corner. So yo, he used to work out for me in the summertime. I just walk to his joint. But yeah, then I'm gonna call the juice bar, see if they open, juice, and then take it on in. But man, how y'all been holding up, yo?
Alright, I guess.
I ain't gonna lie. Because I thought about it last night. I said, damn, you know, because it's just me, you know. And I'm a cat, like, I like to, you know, be out, but I could be solo. I could be solo out. I do like to, you know, be out and mingle, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, I do like to decompress and, like, be just by myself. But I've been doing a lot of things to keep, you know, keep the time still going. Keep the time still going. Using my time wisely. Learning Spanish. I can count to 100. I counted to 100 in Spanish for the first time. I was like, hell yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yes. It was funny because I was talking to somebody. They were like, yeah, no, the reason why I didn't want you learning Spanish was because I was going to Lehman at the time. They're like, because the questions you would be asking me, how do you say this? It'd be like,
Chica bonita. Come to my castle, let's do the local thing.
yeah, I'm telling you, boy. It used to be a lot on the table. I used to leave. You know what I'm saying? I'd be like, damn, she was like, you don't really find it. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'd be thinking though, I was like, man, the people that really strive in this this environment, you know, no knock on the socially awkward, but I've been seeing that people have mistaken that whole social distancing from socially awkward, you know?
But I never quite met a guy like you before.
Neither.
You know, you bring some chicks through and chicks gonna abruptly leave because they about to, you know what I'm saying, say something crazy. Like, what type of stripper name is that?
What the fuck is wrong with this nigga?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, we had, well, not my homeboy, but I know him. Matter of fact, he used to be my roommate, but it's not my homeboy though. You know what I'm saying? It's my man's man.
That's your man. That's your man.
I remember my boy tell me, he was like, brought something to the crib, and he was like, yo, what type of stripper name is that? And then,
The fuck you say, my sister?
You know, whatever was gonna transpire, halted.
She was down. Play knows these things. She was down.
You know, it's like, what you mean? You know, like, damn. And, but I did think about it last night. I said, damn, nigga, I'm in this crib solo as a motherfucker, though, boy. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's cool, but when I have the choice to be solo, that's when, you know, hell yeah. But, I don't know. Let me call this juice bar, man. Oh, yo, shout out to D Nice, man, for rocking it Saturday, man. I seen Cameron. He was the first person to post, well, that I saw. They were like, yo, D Nice got the live pumping. I went, you know, he was doing a tribute to Kenny Rogers when I got there. But yo, man, that's what's up. I don't know if he's gonna do it again, but you know, I hope so. Kind of looking forward to it. You know what I'm saying? If he do, yeah. It was nice, you know what I'm saying? It was a nice change from everything that was going on. You know, niggas could still get out of, well, no, stay in and party, you know? But, what's up with the weak ass DJs trying to copy Sue? Oh, y'all, I'm on the ones and twos today. Nigga, so?
The shit is totally sloppy. Only a fool would open up the way you do. Nobody likes the records that you play.
You know what I'm saying? When nobody checking for you, man, you know?
It's just completely whack.
And, yo, on the ones and twos. DJ whack ass on the ones and twos, man. Fuck out of here.
Face it.
Nah, that shit was cool, man. I heard his social media really jumped up after that. It went from, whatever, 300,000 to $1 million. That's what's up, man. Yeah. But yeah, man, if y'all didn't know, Valère, he's right off of Bedford and Webster Ave. I've been going to Valère's for bad long. Like, I don't know, 2016. Yeah. Hidden gem in the Bronx. I ain't taking my jeans nowhere else. Every single pair of jeans that I've copped, they go to him first. Like, man, I ain't rocking them stock, bro. You know what I'm saying? Shit, nah. It might be closed.
You damn right.
Yeah, Valère's is closed. All right, man. Well, I was checking on you. Damn. Yo, a pet peeve of mine, I don't know, man, is to get like message after message after message. Like, it just, it's like, bro, what? I was in the grocery store the other day. Somebody wanted me to do a favor for him. And I just kept hearing my joint and I had gloves on. I'm like, look, I ain't gonna keep going in this damn phone.
You gotta snatch some collars and let them motherfuckers know.
That's one. And that's it. Sounded like it was more.
Right.
But anyway, all right, so to the juice bar we go, then to the cribbo, you know? That rhymed.
I just put a stash house around the Palisades. Clothesline a brick like I'm Diamond Dallas Page. I was frontin' a nigga work and I was half his age. I ran around with nappy braids, selling dog food, crack and cane. Now it's matching chains. I tell you how to stack this change and triple. Spend a little, never mix it with the cash you save.
Couch it is. Nah, just open this joint right quick, man. I forgot to open it up when I was in the whip, so. Here we go. Yo, shout out Daniel Grand Customs again. Don't forget, you can use my discount code GRANDWAVE10, save 10% off your purchase. You already know we do hats, shirts, sneaks, masks. You name it! Yeah, he do masks. I pulled the trigger too early on the joint because I see he just coming out with flyer joints. Every time I look, I'm like, damn it. I got the first one, you know what I'm saying? The first wave.
You gotta take things slow at first.
I got 2 caps from him. Cause like I said in my old joint, once my wife peeped my joint, she like, oh, I want one.
I don't give a fuck.
So I ended up getting 2.
You went out like a sucker.
Yeah, with the Gucci print, bam, right there. What I'm gonna do is figure out which one looks like the best out of both, and I think it's this one. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna show y'all some other flicks of this joint. This is like my 3rd dad cap from him. I appreciate it, yo, word. Okay. So I got the mask. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I gotta put it all the way on my face right now because I gotta clean it, but there we go. When I get up on that plane, you know what I'm saying? Boom, this that Kobe joint right here. Word, check it out. Leather right there. Hell yeah. I get up on that plane finally, man. I was supposed to go to DR today. I was gonna be, you know what I'm saying? Not protected from nothing, but yeah, I might end up getting another one though. Because, you know me, I always do round trips, so I get another one too. But hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. I like this joint. But yeah, hey, he got some fly ones too. But yeah. We definitely out there with this. But anyway, yo, again, shout out to Daniel Grand Customs. Use my discount code GRANDWAVE10, save 10% off your purchase. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. 400 likes on this joint. I still got an unboxing.
Got another pair of sneaks coming, and I got another video that I thought of in the rap. So stay tuned. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that's Snups.
I'm so fly, shit on flavors or something.
It's your boy Wavy, you already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see when I see you.